San Francisco Blockchain Week is wrapping up, and Kadena is the first blockchain technology to come out of JP Morgan's Blockchain for Excellence program. But there is still a lot of skepticism around the world about blockchain and cryptocurrency. Here to break it all down and tout, of course, all about it is Kadena and the firm's head of research and networks, Monica Quaintance. So first, Monica, I want to talk about what Kadena is. On your website, you have a very clear picture solving the scaling issues of Bitcoin and the security issues of Ethereum. Is that how you're standing out?
Right. So we like to position ourselves as the next generation of smart contract platforms. And for that, what that means for everybody who's not constantly immersed in blockchain things is that a smart contract platform is essentially a way to create an application on top of a blockchain and have it run in a decentralized way, so that even if your central server somewhere is taken down, your application won't be taken down. It's this whole idea of resiliency around blockchain that we believe that a network should be decentralized and owned by its users and run by its users. And this idea of having a decentralized blockchain applications originally came from Ethereum and their idea of building applications in smart contracts. But Ethereum has some significant security holes, and when our team was originally at JP Morgan, we did a bunch of research on all the different blockchains that were out there and decided that we could do a good job making our own that was built on the technology of Bitcoin, that had its security profile, but had the innovation that was originally brought through Ethereum.
And I want to get to the news of the day, and we had CoinList on yesterday, and now we have you today, and you have a partnership with them launching on Tuesday. What can we expect?
Yeah, so we are doing a token sale on the CoinList platform, and it goes live Tuesday, November 5th at noon Pacific time, so 3 a.m. in New York, which is where our team is based. It's very exciting. We are still in that phase right now where nobody's really sure what the correct way is to go from a blockchain starting at zero to becoming a true decentralized network. But one of the ways is to get tokens into the hands of many people around the world so that they can then interact with and experience the network. And CoinList is really helping us with that. We're doing a sale through CoinList so that people all over the world can get access to the Kadena network tokens.
How has LIBRA changed the regulatory scrutiny around all of this?
It's really brought more energy and more people that before just thought cryptocurrencies and blockchain in general was so fringe, really into the limelight in a way that has actually been great for us, because people have started thinking critically about, well, if Facebook thinks this could be real, maybe it's not just some made up fringe technology, maybe this actually has potential. And all along, Kadena has been in the corner of, we think that blockchain is usable for business. It's usable for people to actually create resilient applications and transmit data in a secure way. You can track supply chains. You can track interactions between companies. We're right now working on a partnership with a company doing medical device tracking. And Facebook entering the arena has really, yes, it's brought more regulatory scrutiny, but honestly, more coverage from regulators that are forced to take this seriously maybe means that we might actually get some clarity.
We only have 20 seconds or so. So who is on our heels? Is it China?
Well, you know, I would have said before last week that China was not a big player because they're so anti-cryptocurrency. But the president of China came out last week and actually said that he thinks that blockchain innovation is really important. So maybe we might actually see China being more open to cryptocurrency in a way that they weren't before, which means that the United States really needs to get their ducks in a row in terms of how they're going to treat cryptocurrencies going forward.
Monica Quaintance of Kadena, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, Taylor.
And that does it for this edition of Bloomberg Technology.